Namaskar, sir.
You have the rights, host rights?
Sir, I will check.
Yeah, this is your screen, na? Okay.
Yes, sir. Wait, sir. I'm just. Yes. Is it visible?
Yeah, we'll have to enlarge it a little bit. You close the left window.
Yes.
I think you come in. Just scroll through the pages.
Yeah.
Sarnejas Namaskar.
Namaskar, Plaksha. Check
Namaskar ji.
Vare. Check Vare. Namaskar, Samaji.
Vishwasware.
God bless you. Plaksha, क्या करूचे आज पेच में सप्तस्मस क्या करूचे?
अलग-अलग sentences पर में
Zumla Paran.
Ağzı cümleman mıydı? Boznavsı क्या करूचे? क्या करूचे? क्या करे कोश?
सर काउंटिंग को क्या बोलते हैं?
Grand, grand,
What, sir? Can you repeat?
grand, grand.
Drand.
हाँ, grand.
Sir, I only remember Bonwas Horgus.
Huh?
Bonwats Horgus. These are the most frequent sentences I hear.
Bon was kör khas. Taçı garas heriti bon herti herşa garas mı? Kör şu kasın bon çuvasun.
Nah, sir. Shopping.
अच्छा 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 ये
सब्जी लाना जब जाना होता है मम्मी बोलती है बनवास जाओ सब्जी
सब्जी खा सब्जी bon was तो सब्जी खा.
हाँ सर.
नमस्कार मारा.
नमस्कार प्रिया जी. नमस्कार. नमस्कार सीमा जी.
Namaskar Mara. I don't know. I can't see myself. I cannot have my.
Your video is not coming on. So
It's on, but I don't know what happened today. That's why.
ये it must be something with the network. कोई बात नहीं हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर.
हाँ जी. ठीक मारा. सब कुछ all good.
Thanks for your input.
Thank you.
पता नहीं कैसे हो गया वो. We don't change that page at all. I don't know. Anyway,
वो मेरे ख्याल से पहले से ही होगा because I
नहीं पहले से नहीं था. नहीं पहले से नहीं था. पहले तो बराबर था.
really?
मैं हाँ पहले मैं देखता था ना रेगुलर. तो अभी काफी दिनों से नहीं देखा because I thought it's the same page. We don't do any changes in that page. let me check anyway कि कर पता और कागज पेजेस में कोई प्रॉब्लम है
हाँ जी,
ठीक है तो thanks for
not at all.
वत्सल दिव्यांशी वंशिका
हाँ जी, गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग क्या किया बेटा लास्ट वीक में
लास्ट वीक बस ये असाइनमेंट्स किए थे एंड वो नंबर्स आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इन माय डे टू डे लाइफ। तो हम लोग एक्चुअली घर पे वो कार्ड्स खेलते थे तो मेरे को 13 तक नंबर आता था। तो उसके बाद फिर और सीख लिया
सदा
एंड
फंदा
हाँ जी एंड बस इतना ही।
गुड मधु जी भाई क्या हमारा करो
नमस्कार नमस्कार
नमस्कार मेरा कैसा रहा लास्ट वीक क्रिसमस क्या करो थे क्रिसमस आफ्टर क्रिसमस क्या करो
बस छोटे छोटे sentences I talk in Kashmiri with my husband. He's having a good time क्योंकि उनकी vocabulary मेरे से obviously ज्यादा है तो मुझे बोलने का बहुत चांस नहीं मिलता अब उनको ज्यादा चांस मिल जाता है बोलने का that is the only thing.
good it's a
So
reversal
he's
of
having
roles
a good time.
good actually
तो मैं should
we have to
try
make
करान. हाँ
basically when learning becomes fun so it becomes very easy also so I
जी
think
जी
time is up to take
जी
okay Vatsal Vatsal वत्सल बेटा मुर्केश जी okay understand no problem उमेश जी नमस्कार मारा
नमस्कार मारा ऑडिबल छु सर
हाँ मारा थोड़ा आवाज कम पान मैं बासान आज वानी छन आज तो तोय छु आज ब्रेकफास्ट रोमुत खान
बस वनी ऑफिस से करान त
अच्छा अच्छा
घंटे कोडो मंस
अच्छा मैं तो नॉर्मली ऐसे लोच आवाज यहाँ वानी है बट we'll miss her today because she is not there today so it doesn't matter and last lesson क्यों सोच we'll wait for a couple of more minutes and then we'll start क्यों थ्रू last hafta
ठीक ही
last
रूट
तन पर क्या करो था तात पर क्या करो था पेटमेंट लेसन्स पर क्या करो था किन ना ना ये चल नहीं किन ये ताशु पता एक चीज उमेश जी अगर मास्टर जी ऐसे ना ये सुच मतलब ना बड़ा टाइट करान इंसान
हाँ मुझे पता
रहना सब छु बड़ा तमिस सब छु तो
मे क्लास मतलब अख पूरा सेशन कोरमुत
ताशु कोरमुत बस शिवानी तो वन दपान मास्टर जी सॉय शलक करान
बट वन मतलब वन मतलब बहुत हेचान तूता छुम तगान तूता मतलब तूता कोशुर छुम तगान
परन तो अको परन गो अको बोलन गो अख चीज ब्या गो परन तो परन तो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट ज्यादा यम जन कशुर तगान तमिस खतर सह हेचुन कत पे लेख तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन गस बना
अख सेकंड वरा पर्न खतर मे अनम किताब मास्टर जी अख सेकंड मे दियो
हाँ श्योर तो हम करो सौरभ जी सहित कत सौरभ
नमस्कार
लास्ट सेशन में आप थे क्या आई डोंट
नहीं एक्चुअली मैं पिछले 2 हफ्ते से यूएस में था तो टाइमिंग्स में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था और फिर पिछले ये दिस वीक आई वाज कमिंग बैक इन ट्रांजिट और was bit of jet lag तो unfortunately लास्ट क्लास और जो भी होमवर्क था I was not able to do but I'm in India now.
Doesn't matter. You are able to catch up. You are able to make sense of what you are doing.
हाँ जी. I'm able to follow. So far, it's still somewhat at my level, and luckily, I don't have any travel coming up. So, I'll be present for the classes and homework and
Okay, that's great.
speak in Kashmiri also.
Chalo, that's great. Parulji, at 10:05 we'll start.
Yes.
Okay, we'll give 1-2 more minutes
Yes,
because इस बार थोड़ा confusion था ना कि क्लास होगी नहीं होगी, क्लास होगी नहीं होगी. Actually,
Yes.
शिवानी जी की ग्रैंड मदर इन लॉ की डेथ हुई थी, तो she is not in her place, so she had to move to India. तो उसकी वजह से पहले she was thinking that we will not be able to hold the class. I said break करना ठीक नहीं रहेगा, but don't worry, we'll take care of it. So luckily I had the lesson number 8 of the last session, which I have given. That's why you will see the date on the file as 23 Jan 23. So
Yes.
so we generally update it. तो वो हम जब शिवानी वापस आएगी तो we'll update that. थोड़ा सा और भी कुछ addition होगा तो we'll do that. Okay. But I thought it is better that we continue and have the clarity. Yeah. Those are special words. That's a little tougher than normal.
Becha you book?
Tsokmodur. I have translated this in Roman. A lot of it.
This is like वारिया पुरानी मतलब नस्लिकेशन खातर
नस्लिकेशन खातर चलो ठीक है that's great
क्या कशमीर लिटरेचर छ ना मोस्टली नस्लिकेशन अंदर ही में ये प्रॉब्लम सो छुन मेरा नट को ट्राई इंडिया पे
तशु तगान उर्दू अच्छा then it's okay, then it's easy. But फिर भी those यूजन मास्टर जी सुन जो one pager जो तात्पर्य लिखित कपटन जो the way the
practice
हाँ practice and problem दूसरा है नस्तलिक में we are not very particular about ज़ेर ज़बर गन वो हम generally very particular नहीं है in उर्दू में writing में भी और कश्मीर नस्तलिक में भी, so that's why sometimes it was very difficult.
ना बट ठीक छो मतलब कहते हम समझ मतलब better than zero ना वुनकनस छुस गन्यत मतलब पेपर ऑनलाइन न्यूज़पेपर ओसुस परान वुच छांडान सारी नस्तलिक अंदर तो
चलो ठीक that's good.
कर
नहीं no problem. Okay, let's start Parul ji. I think we are 10:06. Let's start. So today's किसको बोलेंगे, चलो आज पलक्षा से प्रेयर पढ़वाएंगे. पलक्षा
यस सर.
ये पढ़ो बेटा.
ओम नमामि त्वां शारदा देवी महाभागी भगवती कश्मीर पूर्वासिनी विधा दियानी रक्ष माम नमामि त्वाम.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है कि डजंट मैटर. नो विश. वंशिका ललवा.
हाँ जी. आमी पन सोदर्स नावी छसलमान कति बोझे दैम्योन मेति दीतार आमियन टाकिन पुण्य जानशमान जुव छुम ब्रह्मान गरगत हा.
Very good try. A little sodras, but no problem. Perfect. Good Parul, no issue. So let's go to, we have already done up to 7. Let's go to the lesson 8 now. थोड़ा सा revision भी होगा इसमें. And is this clear to everybody? Is this page open, visible to everybody? सबको सुनो. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. चलो सीमा जी, Parul ji, you take a turn and start telling one by one student to read this. ठीक है Parul ji? You keep a track.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, just wait. I'll open the list of students on my phone.
Okay. और participants का list open कर दो side में, तो that will be also easy. Side by side दिखेगा आपको. Anyway,
Okay, sir.
whatever is convenient to you, don't worry. Whatever is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ajit ji.
Kashiri, Sutyan, Kashir, Sari, Nat, Varan, Varanukya, Haran, Haran, Kav.
Again, Ajit ji. Kashirin, Kashiri. Kashiri.
Kashiri.
Kashiri. Sutyan. The emphasis is slightly longer. Sutyan.
Sutyan.
Kashir.
Kashir.
Sari.
Sari.
Nat Varanik.
Nat Varanik.
Nik. Haran Kav.
Haran Kav.
Very good. Excellent. Tell it next.
Sir, from this, shall I call the names?
Yes, yes. Let us do one thing. Anil.
Yes. Okay, sir. Anil Kolji. Anil Kolji. Next is Apurva Bhagat. Apurva. Arshia ji. Arshia ji. Next, Aryan Kaul. Next, Ashish Kumar. Next, Ayush Dhar. Next, Chetan Jain. Next, Devyani Panchal. Next, Dhananjay Patankar. Dimple Kaul. Gayatri Narayan. Ishan Kaul Kilamji.
Hello, namaskar. Words stand.
Yes.
Thod.
3 words you have to.
Acha, 3. Oh, sorry. 3. Sleep is Shong. Chew is Chapun. I think.
Yes. Stand means thod. Stand generally thod what?
Thod what? Acha.
Stand up bolte hain generally, but that's okay. Not sure. Okay. Go ahead.
Next we have Ishani Lahiri. Ishani Lahiri. Next is Kunjan Shah. Kunjan. Next Madhu Kaul. मधु जी
हाँ जी मैं बोलती हूँ बेटा एक सेकेंड cook to cook ranun, to sweep is wudun, and to fly is udun.
Sweep is duvun.
क्या है? Sorry, I've forgotten.
Sweep is
duvun. Yes, duvun. Sorry, duvun.
Fly is wooden. No wish.
Meera Mota. Next, sir, Murukesh is not well. Shall I ask him?
No, he is there, but he is not feeling well, so don't worry. Call somebody else. Okay. He cannot speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Next is Padmapriya Srinivasan. Next is me only. Okay, open is Kholun or Mutsravun. Right Lekhun and right Chalavun.
Very good.
Sir, next. Chalavun or Chalavun?
No, Chalavun.
Okay. Yes. Next is Plaksha. Plaksha.
Wash is Chalun. Distribute is Bagravan. And ride is Savari Karun.
Savari Karun. Good.
Next, Priya Raina ji.
peel is Dyal Tulun, hold is Ratun या थक करून.
Okay. आप next
One
sentence भी
more,
पढ़ लीजिए.
Rida.
Sit down is Bonbe. पत्थर पे.
पत्थर पे. पत्थर पे.
Next is Radhika Desai. Next, Sakshi Pahalwan. Next, Saurabh Sidhu.
सौरभ जी हैं.
Hanji, so it's the three sentences are open the book, come down, switch on the light.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. However, okay, all right. So open the book is Kitab Mutsraf. Come down is Born Bus. And switch on the light Zal. Light
बिजली
Zal.
दार.
Bizli Zal.
बिजली दार.
Bizli Zal.
Okay. Good. Excellent.
Next, next Seema Kachru.
Give
Seema
me
Kachru.
water. Give me water. Madi pon ya tresh. Give me a rupee. Madi ak rupee. Come back is वापस फिर.
Give me a rupee. मेरी आँख रुपए. रुपए.
मदी आख रुपए.
रुपए. हाँ, ठीक.
रुपए.
Very good. Very good.
Shruti Raina. Yes.
Shruti is there?
Yes.
हाँ जी.
Eat food, go sleep, close the door. Okay.
Eat food.
Khe bat.
But the
Gash. Gus shong. दरवाज कर बंद और बर कर बंद. In a home we say darwaz actually.
Okay. Pure Kashmiri is bar. No issue. Perfect. No issue. Let's go next.
Next, Umesh Krishnan ji.
Sit on the chair, kursi pe be. Go to market, bazaar, gas, wear clothes, palav sun.
Go to market, bazar gas. Bazar. Okay, great. So let's go to the next. Now we will do one thing. Now we'll have this lesson. There is some noise coming from somewhere. If you can mute, please. No. So what we are going to learn is going to learn that what we call relations in Kashmir. Okay. So let's start with the first one. Paternal uncle, that is father's brother. Pyatar. Paternal aunt, that is again father's brother's wife. Pechain. Maternal uncle, mother's brother. Mom. Maternal aunt, mother's brother's wife. Mamain. Grandfather. Budibab. Grandmother. Nine. Paternal uncle's son. Pittur boy. It is from Pyatar, Pittur boy. Pittur boy. Paternal uncle's daughter. Pittur Beni. Pittur Beni. Maternal uncle's son. Mamtur boy. Maternal uncle's daughter. Mamtur बेनी, आमतर बेनी। तो एक चीज याद रखना है कि जो भी कजिन्स रहते हैं तो इफ इट इज बॉय तो बॉय, इफ इट इज गर्ल तो बेनी, एंड देन द रिलेशनशिप विद इट इज ऑफ पेरेंटल साइड पितुर और मदर maternal side mamtur. Okay, so let us do one thing. Let's go once again through this, and I want everybody to repeat with me. Paternal uncle, please unmute yourself. Petur.
Petur.
Peter.
Peter.
Petur.
Peter.
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 Paternal aunt. Pechen.
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 वत्सल सुचुकात बोजान किन्ना वत्सल सुचुक बोजान सुचुकनो बना नहीं था कितने तारीफ फिक्री चिकन आवाज़ ही नहीं वन सिकार अनम्यूट कर तो वन मैसेज मैटरनल अंकल मॉम
Mom.
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 मैटरनल aunt मामई
Mom.
grandfather बुढ़बब बुढ़बब grandmother nine paternal uncle son pittur boy
Boy.
paternal uncle's daughter pittur benye
Peter. Benny.
Peter. Benny.
maternal uncle's son mamtur boy
Mamtur boy.
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 maternal uncle's daughter mamtur benye
Mamtur Beni.
Benny.
एक चीज याद रखना है यहाँ पर कि आपने देखा होगा कि ग्रैंडफादर ग्रैंडमदर के लिए वी यूज द सेम रिलेशन पैटर्नल साइड भी में भी सेम बोलते हैं मैटरनल साइड में भी सेम बोलते हैं। अगर बहुत ज्यादा क्लियर करना है किसी को कि ये क्या इज फ्रॉम मैटरनल साइड और तो वो बोलते हैं माता माल बुढ़बो माता माल मीन्स नैनिहाल या नान। ठीक है चलो आगे लेट्स गो नेक्स्ट।
I have one doubt. This
when
spelling is same only. Pitur and this Pitur.
Pittur. Pittur is with boy and Pittur is with girl. Pittur.
Okay.
Pittur.
These are different. These are
Okay,
different.
sir.
Pittur beni, Pittur beni. Okay.
Pittur Benny. Pittur boy.
Yes.
Let's go to the next lesson. Small sentences for daily use. Tell me. Mewan. Mewan. Who are you? You means who means whose. Are means just give me 1 minute. Some call. Sorry, dear. Okay. Who are you? Sukushchuk. Who are you? Sukushchuk. Go out. Go near. Never near. never near. Are you able to hear me or no?
ना 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 तो हम आवाज
Okay, let us go back, Parul. Let's
Is anyone able to hear?
आवाज चुना ईवान मारा
कुलदीप जी छुना ऑनलाइन वो ऑफलाइन हो गए
I think he's logging in again. Why don't we try reading till he comes in? Parul?
Yes, Dada. From
यही
here, shall I call the names?
sentences पढ़ते हैं ना हम थे तब तक हाँ
Okay,
yeah why
okay.
not yeah wherever
Starting from Vittar.
ठीक है हाँ
I'll just call out the names.
ठीक है
Ajit ji, can you start from Vittar? Three words we can just repeat.
ठीक है
Hello, Ajit ji, are you there?
चलो next
Ishan ji, Ishan ji.
सारे ऑफलाइन हो
Next, Madhu ji.
Yeah, I'm
Madhu
there.
ji.
एक minute. हाँ बेटा, I'm there. I'm
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
Paternal uncle, Petter. Paternal aunt, Petchin. Maternal uncle, mom.
What
और पढ़ूं क्या?
this is your sense. It's okay.
कौन से होगी
Maternal
कि mom?
aunt, mamain. Grandfather, would bub. Grandmother, 9. Plaksha. Plaksha.
Yes, yes, Peter, paternal uncle's son, Peter boy. Paternal uncle's daughter, Peter Ben. Maternal uncle's son, Mamtur boy.
Next is Priya Didda. Shall we-
Okay, so I have to start reading the small sentences.
Okay.
Mamtur Bey.
Okay, next.
May one. Tell me. Sukushuk. Who are you? Never ne. Go out.
Next is Saurabh Siruji.
So keep singing is Geban Rose. Show your tongue is Panun Ziv Hav. Read this book is Ye Kitab Par.
Next. Seema Kachruji.
who is he Sukkus chu Hukus chu
This su and hua means the same only.
Maybe it's two ways of saying it. Sukuschu
नहीं
या hukuschu.
सो मतलब यहाँ वाला और हुक जो वहां दूर होता है ना
Oh, अच्छा. Su is जो पास में है, sukuschu. दूर है तो hukuschu.
It's like this and that. Who is this?
Okay.
Who is that?
नहीं
Okay.
this or that नहीं this or that नहीं
Right?
both of them are that but that which you can see or which is आप दोनों को दिख रहा है who is hukus
हाँ,
os
तो in English if it is close it is this, if it is far it is that. दोनों दिखते हैं.
अरे
नहीं?
नहीं
नहीं. अच्छा.
ये हिंदी में अगर ये कौन है इज यकुश्चु
हाँ.
वे
और वो
कौन है सुकुश्चु और वे मतलब जो दूर है हुकुश्चु वी हैव थ्री डिग्रीज ऑफ सेपरेशन इसमें ये वे और दूर थोड़ा दूर
Is it वो कौन था?
नहीं 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 है हु इज था नहीं वो कौन था सुकुस सुकुस ओस हुकुस ओस मतलब था इज ओस तो ये थोड़ा मतलब इट्स बेस्ड ऑन द डिस्टेंस या वेगनेस थोड़ा हाँ ये
Next one is not there.
मैंने तो एक ही सेंटेंस बोला है.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Yeah.
उसके
Okay.
बाद है sentence.
हाँ हाँ है. We'll just go back.
अच्छा.
Repeat.
Okay.
Okay. Today is Sunday. आज आतवार. Get your book. पनन किताब अन. Okay.
Shruti Raina.
Yes. Where is Pinky? Pinky Katichi. It is rainy. Root Chupyavan. Water the plants. Hulyan de Sag.
This is left.
Shin
Okay.
Chupavan.
It is snowing. Shin Chupyavan.
That means this Pevan is same. Even if it's raining or snowing, that means the same.
It's like falling. It's a word for fall.
Okay. Next is Umesh Krishnan ji.
Is food ready? बत्चा तैयार. Iron your clothes. पलवन कर कुंज. Papa has come. Papa chu आमत. Sit down here. Yetet beh pathar. Get well soon. जल गस ठीक. जल और जल.
I think Jal.
Okay.
I think it should be Jald. There is a mistake. Jald.
Unless मतलब हम गलत यूज कर रहे हैं और कश्मीरी वर्ड इज जल.
जल्दी से जल. पता नहीं मास्टर जी बताएंगे. Parts of the body.
If we have to say yesterday it was raining, then what we will say?
रात. रूदोस प्यावान.
Raat. तो it is night, no?
रात.
Yesterday is also Raat.
I think that is रात.
रत वो रत होता है रत.
This is रात.
Okay.
I think so.
है ना उमेश जी वो रत होता है ना मतलब जब रात अगर हम कश्मीरी में बोलेंगे
वो रात एक रातस तो रातस तो रात.
एक में थ है और एक में त है.
I think so.
Okay.
रात. मैंने कभी इतना सोचा नहीं है कि क्या होता है. Like I just speak it.
I have heard it.
जैसे today को हम आज बोलते हैं ना. Like today.
आज.
रात आज पगा कोई क्या रात.
So for today, I have a question. Is it az or az?
आज आज तो हंस हो गया ना,
us.
अंज
आज
वो
हो गया
अंज है,
बहुत।
वो अंज
अंज
अंज,
अंज है
अच्छा
वो।
वो अंज है, हाँ आज।
Ours. Okay.
Umesh ji, like I have a question. Like this sentence, Papa has come. So Papa Shu Amut. तो यहाँ पे like in case we have to say it very respectfully, like Papa Shu Amit. तो ये आमुद तो बहुत ही ऐसे लग रहा है ना कि जैसे किसी like
आमित आमित
आमित आएगा ना।
आमित पापा अर्श आम पापा हैड कम मतलब
अच्छा
छू आम तो नहीं बोलेंगे पापा अर्श आमित
अच्छा
अर्श आमित
Papa is Kashmiri word or we say mole?
मोल
ये मॉडिफाइड कश्मीरी है ना, मिक्स हो गया है।
you would not say mole मतलब that was very Tim अर्श आमित मतलब थोड़ा और respectful
मुझे लगता है मोल दे नॉर्मली यूज व्हेन समवन आस्क कि ये कौन है, तो
हाँ
वो
हाँ
बोल सकते हो कि ये इशू में मोल ऐसे इमचु
डैडी।
में मोल ऐसे।
Hello.
Is it more like father? This is my father.
it's
हम्म
one
we can start मतलब ये continue with parts of your
I
body
think so, हाँ पारुल is on the phone।
okay मैं I will read
आप पढ़िए, हाँ जी।
हाँ जी hair is muss color is head
ये आप थोड़ा जोर से पढ़ेंगे प्लीज।
oh sorry
हाँ थैंक यू।
sorry muss is hair color is head dak is forehead booth is face ach is eye kan is ear nas is nose can someone
Kuldip Masterji has just now messaged on the group. He'll take some time.
okay
That's okay, we'll just keep doing what we
Yeah.
are doing। चलो आप बोलते रहो, नाम तो ही
Dita, more, Vani is not there. Vatsal is there, no? We can start with us. Vatsal,
हाँ
can you start with this line? Us.
us zev wood dund hungin
read the English words also,
एक
please।
second
mouth us tongue zev lips wood teeth dund chin hungin
Vitasta is there. Vinaya. Can I repeat the call again once? Now it's done.
Yeah.
Ajit ji, can you start with this whole?
Okay, I will do this. Just give me a second. कार गर्दन होठ का कार गर्दन am I right on this, please?
कार नहीं I think
कर
I think it's
कर
cur.
कर गर्दन and होठ
होट हाँ वो
कर
ठीक है।
कर it is कर
Cur.
Can we start again from sentences or from the first?
tell me May one. Who,
Okay, yeah.
who are you? So kus chok chok go out. Never
Sir,
ne
sir,
It's च.
जी
ये
sir,
च है च.
so
sir,
okay so
sir, 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 sir.
so TS is
च.
Sir,
so
sir,
So,
so
sir
so
नहीं sir sir की आवाज थोड़ी कम sir
फिर बोलेंगे स की आवाज
sir sir
I'm not able to grasp it still. Actually, this has been a
Ch and sir together.
आप ना अपनी टंग है ना, put your tongue behind your teeth, upper teeth, upper molar, and then you say ch, so that sir will come out. So
Yeah. Ch.
when I'm touching my tongue, I mean I can't, the voice is not coming out.
yeah, it will come with practice. I know. I know.
जी,
yoga
जी.
asan for tongue.
Ma'am, because this TS and TSH has been my Waterloo since day one. So I have noted down that TS is Sa and TSH is Sangun. I don't know what is it. Tha or Ta Sa. I don't know.
सॉरी आप ज बोल पाते हैं ज.
Z.
हाँ, जैसे ज बोलते हैं ना वैसे ही च बोल के च बोलिए.
सापुन वाला च मतलब
फिर बोलिएगा पारुल जी.
सापुन वाला च मतलब अगर
सापुन.
थोड़ा कोरिलेट कर पाए. हाँ,
सापुन.
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 How I learned was I mix ch and sir together. Ch. It's like both the sounds together at the same time.
Just beyond me, beyond me.
No, no, it's not beyond you.
Cha and sa.
That's how I got the sound together.
चलो it's okay. We can move. We can continue.
Shanji.
हाँ मैम पारुल जी I have to read from Get Out. Go out, sorry. Go out.
Keep singing.
Okay,
Kevan
keep
Rose.
singing. Panin Zev Ha. Read this book is show your tongue is Panin Zev Ha. Read this book is ये किताब पर. Who is he? Sukus Chu. Yeah, Hukus Chu. And today is Sunday. आज 6 आथवार. Should I still continue or?
We can call next thing.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Madhuji.
पिंकी, वेयर इज पिंकी से पढ़ना है बेटा?
Get your book. Burning kitab.
Burning kitab on. Get your book. Pinky Katichi, where is Pinky? Ruth Chu Pyavan, it is raining. आगे पढ़ूं?
What is next? नहीं ठीक है. What is next called in Kashmiri? Like if I want to say next is this, मतलब next is Plaksha or next is Priya, then what will call this?
Okay, I'm back. Okay. Parul, I'm just back. Okay. Well, you were saying something.
Yes. Sir, I was just asking what is next called in Kashmiri. If I have to say next is Priya ji. So what will say in Kashmiri?
Wine boli Priya ji. Wine boli Priya ji. Wine ji.
Wine bowl Priya ji.
Wine boli Priya ji. Okay. कहाँ तक पहुंचे आप? कोई बात नहीं, कंटिन्यू.
Sir,
What
अभी
नहीं
sir,
नहीं,
हाँ.
sentences आप सर बोलिए, because I don't know, all of us have not pronounced it properly.
Oh,
So
okay, no
maybe
problem. I'll start again. Go back. No problem. Go back. बस यहाँ से शुरू. Mewan, tell me, Mewan. Can we do one thing, because now that we lost a little time, repeat after me. I will go one by one, and you can unmute yourself. Okay.
okay.
Tell me, Mewan.
Mevan.
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 Who are you? Sukushuk.
Sukushchuk.
Kuschuk.
Go out. Never near.
Never
Never
near.
near.
Never near.
Never near.
Keep singing. Jawan Rose.
Yavan
Jawan
Rose.
Rose.
Kevan Rose.
Show your tongue. Panin Zav How. Panin Zav.
Panin Sev.
Panin means yours. Zav means tongue. How means show. Panin Zav How.
Panin Zeb.
Panin Sev. Ha.
Manin Zeb Ha.
Read this book. ये किताब पर. ये किताब पर.
ये किताब पर.
Kitab
ये
par.
किताब पर.
Who is he? Sukushu or Hukushu?
Kuldip ji.
हाँ मैंने.
ऐसे करान गणित ये तो ऐसे ना तो सारे इस क्वेश्चन प्रसान कि सो कुछ तो हु कुछ क्या difference क्या?
So means you are referring to a particular person.
Yeah.
When you are discussing, you are debating something. You know, you are in a discussion. With, say, for example, I am talking about, say, Parul. So of course Parul is a lady. So kwasiche. So but if it was male, say for example, I am talking about Ishan. So we were discussing something about him. Sukushu means what does he do, or what is his position, you know, Sukushu. Okay. So another is Hukushu. Hukus means you are directing somebody who is slightly away from you. Oh, that is there. There somebody is there. Hukushu. मतलब you are pointing to somebody जो आपके नजर में है, आगे में दिखता है. पहले वाले में है कि it is a point of discussion. Second में है you can see him. Hukushu. That means वो कौन है?
चलिए अगर बुवाने ये कुछ हो.
हाँ ये गाँव यूज़न ब्रॉड का नहीं था इस. Yukushu means he is somebody who is very near to you. So Miss Swanal, Yukushu. If there is somebody sitting by my side, Yukushu.
Okay.
So I can just point to him. So this is Yukushu, Hukushu to Sukushu. Su means point in discussion, not in the vicinity. Okay.
Okay.
Who and ye means somebody they are in the line of sight. हम देख सकते हैं उनको, मगर हम उनके बारे एक नजदीक है, एक दूर है. Okay.
Okay. So okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go to today is Sunday. आज छ आतवार. आज छ आतवार.
Aschi Atwar.
Get your book. Panin kitab an.
Panin kitab an.
Panin Kitab An.
Parul, just keep the page here. Don't move it till we reach the last line. Otherwise, it disturbs others. No. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Where is Pinky? Pinky Katiche. Pinky Katiche. Pinky is a girl. Pinky Katiche.
Ki katiche.
That means where. She means is. Pinky means Pinky. Pinky Katiche.
Pinky Katiche.
It is raining. Rood Shupyavan. Rain means rood. Shupyavan. Pyavan means it is falling. Basically, literal meaning means falling, but it is raining. English में बोलते हैं तो it is rood Shupyavan. Okay. It is snowing. Sheen Shupyavan. Snow means sheen.
Sheen
Snow.
Chupavan.
Please repeat. Sheen Chupavan.
Sheen
Pyavan.
Chupavan.
Pyavan. Water the plants. Kulendi Sag. Kulendi Sag.
Kulendi Sag.
Watering of plants is called in Kashmiri, it's a special word for it, is Sag. It is not general water dena. Sag means automatically that you are basically, it is referring to the plants. Kulendi Sag. Plant, water the plant.
Kuldip
Is
ji.
food ready? Vanimal.
Sir, like in the sentence where is Pinky is a we are referring towards a female. अगर यहाँ पे कोई male होता तो उसके लिए हम क्या बोलते हैं?
अगर say person
Pinku होता.
where is Ishan?
हाँ.
Ishan kati chu. Chi and chu. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Oh, perfect. Always, whenever anybody has any doubt, please raise immediately. No issue. Now we are in that stage. Why have always isolate Vinith immediately so that clarity is there. Okay. Earlier we were just discussing the voice, pronunciation words, etc. That's why I was not going into the detail. But here you can stop anytime.
Sir,
Iron your clothes.
Kulen is plural. Kulen is plural form of kul.
Kul, that is right. Kul is one tree. Kulyan. Actually, if it is Kulyan means related to many trees. Kul and Kul is the plural of Kul is plural of Kul. Okay. Kulyan is related to many plants. Kulyan. Okay. Is food ready? Batcha tayar.
Batcha
tayar. Iron your clothes. Palvan kar kund. Ironing in Kashmiri means kund. Palvan
kar kund.
Palav means clothes. Palvan means to clothes. To clothes. Kar kund means iron your clothes. Kund means ironing. Kund in Kashmiri is equivalent of ironing. Ironing means kund. Kund. Can you pronounce everybody? Kund. It is slightly different. Kund. Very good. Papa has come. Papa chu amut.
Papa chu amut.
Papa chu amut. Sit down there. Sit down here. Yetet beh pathar.
Yetet beh pathar.
Yetet means
Sorry. Papa has come. अगर पापा मच कोशर वर्ड यात क्या माना मतलब
Babsha Mol Domana actually I think we discussed it earlier. हम लोग मतलब पेरेंट्स को उस तरीके से नहीं बोलते हैं पापा रेडी. हम लोग कश्मीरी में एक्चुअली नाम नहीं रहता था घर में. जैसे किसी को बोब जी बोलते थे, किसी को बाई जी बोलते थे, किसी को तो अकॉर्डिंगली वी यूज्ड टू और विजय जी बोलते थे या कुछ भी जो भी नाम पॉपुलर जिस बेसिकली निक नेम रहता था. निक नेम बुढ़े बसेस वना लाल काक मतलब वॉट एवर इट इज तो टाइट सेप तो इसलिए कश्मीरी में उस तरीके से नहीं बोलते थे. बट सिंस दिस इज अ पर्टिकुलर वे इट इज जस्ट फॉर अ रेफरेंस फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या मतलब. पापा हैज कम या मोल या when you
अगर yes one respectfully Papa chu amut.
So say that's okay. Ch amit. Papa ch amit.
Papa ch amit.
मतलब this is with respect. Normally ये ना इनफॉर्मल रहता है ना. पापा मम्मी तो इनफॉर्मल वाला रिलेशनशिप है इसलिए we generally say like that. No issue. But that is perfectly all right. Papa ch amit. Yeah. Tim Chamit. Say, for instance, if you are referring to some elderly person or respected person has come. So, Sushinavana, Tim Chavana, Tim Chamit. So that means he has come. Sit down here. Yetet means here. Beh means sit. Pathar means down. Sit down here.
Yetet beh pathar.
पत्थर पे पत्थर. सीमा जी, अच्छा. सीमा जी, Shivana, please tell me what do you want to say, Seema ji? आपको म्यूट पर है. I am not able to hear you.
Sorry, if I have to say I have to iron clothes, what will I say?
Meçi palvan kundi karin. Meçi palvan kundi karin.
Okay.
Okay. Get well soon. Jal gasti. Jal means soon. Jald ka sort of a abbreviation. Jal gats ठीक.
ठीक.
Is it okay? Can we proceed to next, or do you have some questions there?
No.
Kuldip ji,
Wait a minute.
like we say papa ke liye we have a bab kind of a word. So
हाँ.
for mother, do we have such a
Merge.
word?
Actually, जैसे let me tell you, जैसे my grandmother used to be called Kakan. Chanda Jigar Esvanan Aiden is Prabhavanan. Basically, प्रभा देवी जिसका नाम था तो उसको प्रभु बोलते थे. जिसका चांदा नाम होता था तो उसको चांद जिगर बोलते थे. मतलब ना उस तरीके से रिलेटेड. और जनरली जो कॉलोकियल जैसे निकनेम्स रहते थे, काकिन, दैद, these were some peculiar names for grandmothers. But for mother, again same thing. Babi, Pyari, Rani, Dirty, these are very common names for generally used for mothers. Because it used to be a family, it was basically is now Divan to a say what should I say, daughter-in-law in the house. तो बस फिर सबको सभी उसको वैसे ही बोलते थे, वो बच्चे हों या बड़े हों.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So anything else? Anything else? Okay, let's go to the anybody?
अगर इसका सब ह्योर अगर आप ऊपर जाएंगे तो ना अंकलस पेतुर
पेतुर हाँ पेतुर
ते छ दोयम आक आसान वर्ड पेतुर Pyutur Gav, basically, let me tell you one thing. Pyutur Shivana, basically it has a two ways of meaning. The correct direct meaning is Pyutur means जैसे हमारे क्लैन है, जैसे my grandfather से जो हमारे क्लैन है, मेरा ग्रैंडफादर एंड जैसे ये मेरे ग्रैंडफादर का ब्रदर का क्लैन होगा, तिमुनेश्वना प्युतुरी. हाँ जी.
Okay, but Pyutur Pyutur should be a word which is not in a very good sense. Pyutur means he is against me. Pyutur. Paraya. Haan, that's right.
Now, कैसे लेसना लकट कहाँ उस ऐसे शालक करान टेम्परेचर से है तो मत चोन पेटर अलग
हाँ समझ गया. It was sort of कि much whopper used on the mission. Another word for not known is whopper. Whopper. He's not mine. He's somebody else. Whopper. Okay. चलें नीचे. Let's proceed to the next lesson. Okay, let's go up. Parts of body. Hair. Mus. Please repeat after me.
Mus.
Head. Kal.
Head. Kal.
Forehead. Dyak. Face. Booth. Eye. Ach. Achni. Ach. Ear is kan. Nose is nas. Mouth is us. Tongue is zev. Lips. Woot.
wood,
wood,
Wood.
Done. Teeth.
Done.
dand,
teeth,
Done.
dand,
Hongine. Chin. Hongine.
Hongine.
hongain,
ongain,
Very important to remember how it is written.
hongain,
Just her or were together. Hongine. Hongine.
Ongan.
Ongan.
Rest are simple, and two only I think will be difficult. Dak. Dak. Dak and
yeah,
Hongine. And rest are very
Hongine.
simple. Simple in Devanagari also, and even in Roman. Anybody? Now I will do one thing. Let आप एक काम करो पारुल जी, ये सबको एक बार पढ़ा दो, ये सारे दो
parts of the body.
हाँ, पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, ये याद
Okay,
रहने
sir.
चाहिए सबको, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. First, Ajit ji.
Hair, mus, head, कल
कल कल
कल कल
नीचे ल के
कल
नीचे अर्धचंद्र है, कल
कल
ओके नेक्स्ट
wine bowl, ईशान जी.
मैम आपने क्या बोला? कल के बाद था forehead. Okay, forehead is deck, face is buth,
थैंक यू,
eye is sorry, okay, sorry sir.
okay, no problem, let's go further. Next, anybody?
Madhu ji.
Ach, eye, kan, ear, nas, nose.
Very good.
Me only. Mouth, ears, tongue, zev, lips, wood.
आज वंशिका का टर्न ही नहीं आया, so let's give to वंशिका this time, if I'm not wrong.
Okay, okay.
मैं कहाँ से पढ़ूँ फिर? लिप्स से?
लिप्स से पढ़ लीजिए, लिप्स से पढ़ लीजिए.
लिप्स, वुड, टीथ, दंत, चिन, होंगिन.
Hongine. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next step. Throat, hoot, neck, कर या गर्दन. गर्दन तो everybody, कर is the right Kashmiri, pure Kashmiri, but गर्दन भी बोलते हैं. कर, neck is कर, throat is hoot. Okay. Hello. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, sir, एक question पूछूं कि गर्दन neck is paining, so we have to use a feminine gender for this or male gender? How do you say गर्दन में दर्द है?
Meçhu gardani doğdu. Meçhu gardani doğdu. Gardani.
Okay.
Gardani.
गर्दन दुख रही है, suppose we want to say, तो करची और करचू.
नहीं, करच नहीं, इस पैटर्न नहीं आएगा इसमें. मेचु दूध.
अच्छा, this has to be said differently. Okay.
Differently, yeah, it cannot use. ये गर्दन जो है ना, उसके साथ में अलग आएगा, कर के साथ अलग.
हम बोलते हैं हेडेक हो रहा है तो कलच्छू
कलशुम दूध.
हाँ, कलच्छू दूध.
कर
तो गर्दनच्छू दूध में छू बोलेंगे.
करचुम दूध.
करछू ही होगा.
करचम दाग
छुम.
हाँ,
छुम.
करचम.
Okay.
बेसिकली क्या कि बेसिकली एवरी वर्ड, जैसे आप समझते हैं ना कि एवरी वर्ड itself, it is not the neck itself, but the word itself is feminine or gender or male gender, so kar could be different and gardan could be different. You cannot use the same thing for both. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, got. ठीक है, thank you.
Next. Next क्या है पारुल? Okay, we have come to the end of the lesson.
Today, that is May 11 to 34.
Okay. So you know how to propose the lesson, etc. I will not say the lesson जो अभी तो already PDF तो already group पर है ही. So you go and start creating your own sentences. Now you have like you started questioning me for certain things. You can start making your own sentences in for different words. Mechinas vasan. You know what? Something जब जब नाक बहती है ना तो बोलते हैं मेचिनास वसान. नहीं, लिटरल मीनिंग इज नाक नीचे आ रही, नाक नीचे नहीं आ रही है, बट नाक से नीचे आ रहा है. तो नास्य वसान, मेचिनास वसान, लाइक Madhuji was telling Shuddhodasan, Michanas vasan. If somebody has a cold, is a running nose, so Mishvana Nasya vasan. Michikanandag. Michikanandag. My ears are paining. Michikanandag. Michu Butis Phapar Dram. Phapar means if you have pimples on your face, Phapar. Michu Butis Phapar Dram. Pimples on the face. Michu Gardani Dag. Michu Buchus ne Michu Dan Dag. Michu Dandan Dag. If Michu is Dandas Dag, या Michu Dandan Dag. If single, plural Dandan, singular Dan. Michu Dandas Dag. एक is Dandas Sham Dag. Michu Dandan Dag. Varihan Dandan, many teeth are paining. Dandas Dag. Michu Kallas Dod. Michu Dek Wuhan. If you sometimes your head is very hot, तो अश्विन वनान के मिचु गरम मिचु डेक गरम ना मिचु डेक वुहान is a Michinas vasan. Okay, Murkeshi is giving me a message that he is also having a running nose, that's why he is not speaking. Okay, great. Have some fun. So this is how Michu Dekel Wuhan. Michu जैसे हमने लास्ट टाइम बोला था, I'd given an example. Michu Masas Chim Zat means my hair have got entangled. So Michu Masas Zat. So these are some of the words I would suggest that you start making these in Hindi or whatever you want to do, then start asking these things next time. So if we have different words for that, different way of speaking that, अगर दो में तरीका से बनो ऐसा को तो I clarify करें. सब सारे को अच्छा. Anybody else on this? Then we can close this. Then we can have a little more chat on this. Anything more on the lesson? Everybody? Okay, let's close this, Parul ji. Let's close the lesson. कुछ बचा है क्या? नीचे देख लीजिए, एक बार नीचे तक जाइए. कुछ बचा है क्या उसमें? कुछ लेसन में बचा नहीं है ना पारुल?
सर ये प्रैक्टिस रीडिंग सेंटेंसेस
हाँ,
विद
ओके, यस यस.
एक्सप्रेशंस.
हाँ, नहीं, ये करना जरूरी है. चलो, सॉरी, I overshot this. So let us do one thing. Let us ask. Now you tell one by one. You zoom it on one side, left side. Zoom करो, दोनों में दिखा दो आप, so that people can read it. Let us give one by one. ये सब पढ़ने के लिए देते. Now I will keep quiet. I will see. कैसे पढ़ते हैं? Start with reverse way. वंशिका से अभी आप V से चालू कर दीजिए.
ओके सर. वत्सल.
वत्सल, हाँ.
ठीक है.
वत्सल.
Should I start?
ओके, अरे वत्सल बोल नहीं रहा तो वनिष्का को बोलने दो. ठीक है.
ठीक है. Atmanschun Kanshak Zitz Chuk Satates.
Very good try. Atman chun. Rest average is okay. Chun kanshak zit suchuk satates. There is no doubt that you are very fast. You are very clever. Tez means fast, but it literally, its actual meaning is You are very clever. Atman chun ka shak to chuk satha tez. Very good. Next. Vatsal. Vatsal. Divyanshi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये पार ये दो सेंटेंस पार से क्या शेयर पे वातान वातान पार अनम्यूट कर पानुस गुड
Vatan, vatan, vatay tim, octis, nagas, pyut, the ate, sutut, thak.
वातान वातान वज तिम अकिस नागस पेट तो अति द्युतुक थक द्युतुक very good Vatsa very good it means vatan you anybody or we can have this meanings later on let's first read it okay go next
Umesh Krishnan ji.
Khojan kor moinus alav the churus karnavan lar.
Very good perfect.
Do I have to tell the meaning?
If you can tell the meaning also that would be great.
खोजन जो है उसने अपने मोन्यू मोन्यू मतलब नौकर को बुलाया आलव मतलब बुलाना तो एंड चूरस चूर मतलब चोर कर्नवन कराई तो खोज ने अपने नौकर को बुलवाकर चोर को क्या कहते हैं भगाया चोर के पीछे भगाया
Very good.
Next.
Shruti Raina. Shruti Raina.
I have to do khojan one, right?
Next
Or
one.
Pananis.
Okay. Panis, malis, maje, hins, gache, khidmatkaran.
No, show 1 minute. Pananis, don't go very fast. Very look at every vowel. Pananis.
Pananis. Malis.
Malis, very good.
Malis. Maji.
Very good.
Hans.
Very good.
Gache.
Very good.
Khidmat. Karan.
Very good. Now you have pronounced it very beautifully. So पहले थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गई थी. Very nice. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you. चलो next.
Sir, is sentence का meaning we must respect our parents or help
Yes,
our
we
parents?
must.
Literal
नहीं,
meaning.
खदमत means basically to serve our parents. मतलब basically वही respect का सवाल नहीं. It is we must serve our parents. खदमत करेंगे. We must help them. We must in whatever they do.
Yes. Next is
ऊपर करना पड़ेगा
सीमा
थोड़ा.
जी.
इसको थोड़ा ऊपर करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, okay, very good. बस.
सीमा जी.
आस कर आस कशीरी
नहीं सीमा जी.
कर
एक मिनट सौरभ जी थोड़ा म्यूट करेंगे 2 मिनट. कार कशीरी गमित. When had we gone to Kashmir? Kar Kashiri gamiत. Kar Kashiri kar Kashiri gamiत. Gamiत means when we had gone. Gamiत means where we had gone. Very good. Thank you so much. Next.
Saurabh Siruji.
Bichus Yat Makanas Mans Daimus Porus Piat Rosan.
Very good, very good. And perfectly read. Very good. Next.
सर इसका मीनिंग भी आप थोड़ा मकानस मीन्स घर
Buchus yat
मेरा
makanasmas. I am Buchus yat I yat is makanasmas in this house. Mans dahim sporus on the 10th story. Por means story. Dahim 10th. Dahimis means 10th. Florus pet. On that Rosan means live. Okay. I live on the 10th floor in this house. Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay.
प्रिया जी प्रिया जी प्रिया जी प्लक्षा
Hello, hello.
oh sorry yeah प्रिया जी
परिमला प्रिया जी परि
Buchus yat macanus means Dehimis porus pet rosan.
in next sentence
Yichu kal paga salas gatsan.
नहीं वापस पढ़ लीजिए. Look at the letters and then
Yichu kal paga salas gatsan.
very good. Kal Yichu kal paga salus not salus. Salus is different. Salus means go for a say for some celebration to have food with somebody on an occasion. Salus means picnic. Yichu kala paga salus. He goes very frequently on picnics. Okay, that's the meaning of the sentence. Yichu kala paga means yesterday, today. Kala means yesterday, paga means tomorrow. That means it just literally means every day, every alternate day is on picnic. That is literal meaning. But it means very frequently actually. Okay, next.
प्लक्षा
Yes,
प्लक्षा yeah
I'm there. Amiss,
Very
Asi,
good.
Jan, Daru, Tawai, Chas, Dai, Betri.
एक बार वापस पढ़ लीजिए बेटा.
Amiss, Asi, Jan, Guzar,
गुजार ल के नीचे
Tawai, Chas, Dai,
दाई बेत्री. Very good.
Dai, Betri.
So it means Amish Jan Guzar. That means he is very well off. Jan Guzar means he is very well off. The Tawaichas Dai Betri. That is why he has so many maids, etc. Dai means basically maids. Betri means etc. Dai Betri. That means he has a lot of support. He has a lot of help available at home. He is so well off that he has a lot of servants in his house, a lot of people, a lot of help around. Okay, that's what it means. Okay. Chalo, next sentence. I think the right side में होंगे.
oh,
I think
okay. Yes
उस पेज में right side में होगा. हाँ, next किसका है?
sir it's me only
Okay.
so Valu Chakuras Gatsav
See, wall नहीं, wall नहीं, wall, wall,
oh, yes
wall.
yes Wall.
No problem. Wall chakras gatsav.
Chakur
Wall chakras gatsav. Hey, let's go. Wall, that means come. Let's go on a picnic. Chakras means go on a picnic. Gatsav means go. Let us go. And chakras means picnic. Okay. Wall chakras gatsav. Let's go on a picnic. Next.
Sir, Salus also picnic only, no?
No, Salus. That's also picnic. Salus, not salus. Sal means actually, sal means we had earlier also explained. Sal means जब हमको किसी के यहाँ दावत पर जाना होता है, तो खाने पर किसी ने बुलाया हमको, तो हम Ashutosh Salas go. So he has invited us on a dinner or lunch, whatever. Okay. Salas.
Yes. Next. Murukesh is not. Madhuji.
Yeah, I'm there.
Madhuji.
मुझे कौन सा
Yes.
पढ़ना है?
Yes.
हाँ, I got it. I'm there.
Varia.
ये वारिया वाला ना, वारिया काल गौम से प्रारान।
मीनिंग भी बता दीजिए मधु जी।
बहुत टाइम से।
I've been waiting for you since long time.
I'm not sure. I've been wanting to go. प्रारान क्या होता है? I'm not sure.
Waiting.
वारिया is many, बहुत टाइम से।
आपका वेट कर रहे हो।
हाँ, wait. प्रारान is wait. I have been waiting for you. आपकी वेट कर रहे हैं।
बहुत देर से। वारिया
आपकी
काल का गोम means me. It is personal. वारिया काल गोम से प्रारान. I have been waiting for you for a long time.
Gom means
it is Gom is related to self, me. I have been waiting.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Next.
Ishanji.
Okay. Shuranchu Sukul Kulyumut.
हाँ, तो क्या मतलब?
बच्चों के स्कूल खुल गए हैं, like.
Very good. बिल्कुल सही. चलो next.
Shurya means children.
Children. Yes. Shur means child. Shuryan means children related to children.
Okay. Next, Ajit ji.
एक मिनट.
दपान रटनेस.
एक मिनट. वत्सल के साथ दिव्यांशी है क्या? वत्सल?
Yes, sir.
दिव्यांशी को बोलेगे अनम्यूट करो और दिव्यांशी को बोलो ये पढ़ो। अनम्यूट करो। शना दिव्यांशी शना बोल चुसना बोलून मंचान से। चलो कोई बात नहीं. लेट्स गो टू समबडी एल्स. किसका है अभी टर्न?
अजीत जी.
ओके. अजीत जी बोलिए. आई थिंक इज ही विद अस? I think he's not, but he is not there now. ठीक है, और किसी को बोल देंगे वापस. वत्सल नहीं है ना? वत्सल. हाँ, वत्सल है. वत्सल बोलो. पढ़ो ये. दपान ये सेंटेंस पर.
दपान रत्नस गसे बान आसुन.
दपान रटनस गसे बान आसुन.
गसे बान आसुन.
Dapan Ratanus gets a ban asun. That means to hold something we need a vessel. To hold something कुछ किसी में कुछ चीज डालने के लिए कुछ बर्तन चाहिए. बट बेसिकली इसका मीनिंग अलग है. ये तो लिटरल मीनिंग हो गया. बट एक्चुअल मीनिंग इसका जैसे हमने पीछे भी डिस्कस किया था, Ratanus gets a ban asun. That means you should have the capacity to accept something. When you should be capable enough to accept something, some good knowledge or anything. Ratnas kaise banas. It is more, what should I say, subtle meaning than direct meaning. Okay. Chalo, next. Vanshika. हाँ, उमेश जी. यार sorry. मैंने बोला वत्सल. उमेश जी बोलिए.
Iman gariban chuna zinda rozno khak.
दपान
ओ दपान के यमन गरी
नहीं यमन
यमन
बराबर
गरीबन छुना जिंदा रोजनो खाक
हाँ मीनिंग आल्सो
इन गरीबों को जिंदा रहने का हक नहीं है क्या?
वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट थोड़ा ऊपर करना पड़ेगा पारो
Next, yes,
वंशिका
Shruti.
हाँ
Acha,
श्रुति और
Vanshika is there.
हाँ
Yes,
वंशिका
yes, I'm here. ये पासान वाला राइट?
हाँ राइट
बासान छुम जीत से छु न योरुक व्यपान.
भाषान छुम जिससे छुइन योरुक व्यापान
व्यपान. हाँ जी.
Vyapun means you're not ready to accept. Pasanchum, it looks to me that you are not ready to accept what I'm saying. That's the meaning. Vyapan means you're not able to accept. Vyapun. Yoruk means जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Yoribo bananchu se suchugnu suhakan suchugnu vyapan. That means you're not ready to accept what I'm saying. That is the English meaning of this. That whatever I'm saying, you are not ready to accept. You know, sometimes somebody doesn't accept what your point of view. It's something like that.
अच्छा.
Okay, next.
So last time you said like generally parents say to children same sentence only.
No, not this one. This is more generic in the sense that you can not only tell to children, but it is sometimes even if it is a friend of yours, अगर आपके कोई दोस्त भी है या कुछ है, तो your point of view sometimes ऐसा लगता है आदमी को कि जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो सुन नहीं रहा है. तो that is the time we say Meshu Basan or Basan Shum. This says Chuin Yoruk Vyapan. When you're whatever I'm trying to say, you're not able to accept. So it can be both ways. It is the point of view from your side. जो भी बोल रहा है that whatever I'm trying to say, you are not able to listen. You know, accept whatever I'm saying. Especially if you are giving some advice to somebody, you know, something like that. उसके लिए ज़्यादा. Next. एक लास्ट है तो श्रुति को बोलने दो. चलो श्रुति.
सीमा जी. Okay sir. Okay sir.
कौन है सीमा जी? पता नहीं मेरे को. आई डोंट नो. मैं जस्ट आई एम पिकिंग अप समबडी. बोलिए.
वॉल आज करव प्राण पाठ कथा बाता.
वॉल आज करव इज परफेक्ट. प्राण पाठ.
प्राण
पाठ.
पाठ
कथा बात.
कथा बाता.
Come, let's talk like olden days. Let's have a chit chat. Let us chit chat like we used to do in old days. If you meet somebody after a long time, say you need somebody after say 10 years or something, say वाला आज करो प्रेम पॉइंट कथा हुआ था. let's remember जैसे कोई childhood का friend मिल गया या college का friend मिल गया at a later stage of your life, and then you want to say चलो let's talk like what we used to do earlier. इसका मीनिंग वही है. वाला आज करो प्रेम पॉइंट. प्रेम means old. Pert means like. Pert means like. Prawn means basically old. Prawn poet. Katha Batha means chit chat. Okay. Next. Parul, next.
Saurabh ji.
Saurabh ji.
हाँ जी. Sentence है.
हाँ.
The pan has garb ye bozit setha khosh. The pan raz
Ardhachandra is there, na? Raz. The pan raz
ye bozit setha khosh.
Meaning?
बोल रहे हैं कि ये सुन के बहुत खुश हो गए.
Raz means king. King was very happy. Raz means
yes.
Raz means king. King was very happy after listening.
After listening to this, yes.
Okay, I think that was the end of the lesson. Anything else anybody has to say? Then we can conclude today. Sorry for the interruption because of internet. We lost it for some time. Anything? Okay. Murkesh wants all the sentences to be translated once again. So, Parul, start from sentence 1. We'll go. Go from sentence 1. Left side. You make it smaller one. Huh. Okay, go out. Atman's chunu ka shak ze suchuk setha tez. Atman's chunu ka shak ze suchuk setha tez. That means there is no doubt. Chunu ka shak. Shak means doubt. Chunu means there is no doubt. Ka, not no. Chunu means there is no. Ka means no doubt at all. Zitsuchuk Sathates, that you are very fast. That means basically you are very clever. There is no doubt that you are very clever. Atman Shunu Ka Shak Zitsuchuk Sathates. Vatan Vatan. Parul, you have exited? Oh, I think Parul has exited or something has happened.
Is my screen still visible? I think there is a network issues from my end.
No problem. Screen has got out. वापस देख सकते हैं कोई बात नहीं मुरकेश जी I will okay now she has opened no problem Vatan Vatan vātim akis nagas pet to ati dutuk thak Vatan Vatan while walking vātim that means they reached akis nagas pet they reached a particular spring and ati dutuk thak that they rested there Khajan kor Mohnius ala to Tsuras Karnavan la. Khaj means the landlord called his servant and made him run after the thief. Pananis Merlis Majahans Gache Khadmat Karing. We must serve our parents, father and mother. Maji Merlis means parents. Iskar Kashmir Gamit. When did we go to Kashmir? Gamit means gaye the. Means kar when did we go? Kashmir. Kashmir means Kashmir.
कुलदीप जी
हाँ बोलिए
इजाजत दियो वापस कसन ऑफिस
Okay, no problem. Please now anybody who is we are already late. Anybody who wants to go out, don't worry. You can take up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody.
Iskar Kashmir Gamit Evident. Buchus Yat Makanas Maz Dahimis Porus Petrosa. Buchus I am living in this house at the 10th floor. Buchus I am Yat Makanas Maz in this house Dahimis Porus Petrosa. Por means story. Dahimis means 10th story pet on Rozan means I'm living on there. Rozan means live. Go up, Parul. Yichuk Kala Paga Salas Gatsan. Yichuk Kala Paga. He goes very frequently on picnics. Kala Paga means yesterday. Kala means yesterday. Paga means tomorrow. Salas means picnic. Gatsan means he goes. Yichuk Kala Paga Salas Gatsan. Amis asi Jan Guzar, to Tawai Chas Dai Betri. Amis asi Jan Guzar. He must be very well off. Amis means him. Asi means must have. Jan Guzar means he must be well off. To Tawai Chas Dai Betri. That is why he is having lot of maids, etc. Go to the next. Parul, next page on the side. Vala Chakras Gatsav. Come, let us go for a picnic. Chakras doesn't mean always picnic. Sarlas means always picnic. Chakras means we can even loiter around. Chakras is both. It means picnic also, and chakras means just let us go and walk around. If you want to just have a stroll or something. Chakras Gatsav. Varya Kal Gom Chaprara. Varya Kal. It has lot of time is on. Gom, I have been Chapraran. I have been waiting for you. I have been waiting for you for a long time. Shuryanshu Sokul Kulyomut. Children's school has opened. School has opened. Dapan Ratanas Gasiban Asum. It is said that to hold something, you need a vessel. As I said, it is more of a subtle meaning that it is basically an idiom which says that you should have enough capacity to hold something, to listen to something, to gain that knowledge. Yemen Kariban Chuna Zinda Roznu Khak. These poor people do not have right to live. Roznu Khak. Do these poor people not have right to live? Hak means right. Zinda means zinda, to live. Chuna means don't they have. Roznu means Gariban means Garib only. And Yemen means these poor people. These poor people do not have right to live. That is what it means literally. Basan chum zichui yor n yoruk vyapan. It appears Basan chum means it appears to me that say you chui n yoruk vyapan. Whatever I am saying, you are not able to understand that. You are not listening. Next. Wala azkaro prain poet katha batha. Come, let us talk like olden days. Katha bat chit chat like olden days. Dapan razagav yibuzit seta khosh. It is said that the king was very happy after listening this. Yibuzit means listening this. Seta means very. Khosh means happy. Dapan razagav yibuzit seta khosh. That means the king was very happy after listening this. With this, we come to the end of this lesson and we can close today. Thank you for everybody for joining today. I think we had a session, we didn't have a break. So let us, अभी हमको अश्विन बेरी करुन ये आज बोरा से आज करुन तालीम करें बे वापस परुन तो next time छु कशिर पटी कत करें next time छु सीमा जी सोरे कशिर पटी कत करें
ठीक मारा
ये मतलब सीमा जी खतरे छु न सीमा जी उनमें खास तौर पर ये छु सायर नहीं छु कशिर पट करें वंशिका ईशान छु करान तो ईशान छु करान थोड़ा बहुत क्रियाती छु करुन मुर्केश जी थे श्रुति आपको भी प्लक्ष्या आपने तो बहुत अच्छा बोला आज वंशी से कशिर पर ठीक करें ठीक है बेटा चलो गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल एंड नमस्कार
नमस्कार थैंक यू जी
नमस्कार
नमस्कार
नमस्कार।